Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at Venn diagrams, the perfect tool for solving problems involving sets and categorizations. They are very useful in displaying relationships between different sets, and mastering them can help you make easy work of these kinds of problems. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. When encountering sets, you may come across statements that include the phrase all or some or there exists. These are called quantifiers, and they will guide how you draw your Venn diagrams. Before we start, keep in mind that the statements being used do not have to follow common sense, so try to let go of those preconceptions. There are two types of quantifiers you will encounter: universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. When we face words like all, or every, we are trying to say that all members of a set go inside another set. For example, the statement, "all balloons are liars," suggests that the entire set of balloons exists inside the set of liars. For the second example, "every dog has a secret," tells us that the set containing all dogs can be found inside the set of secret havers. The second kind of quantifiers are existential quantifiers. These quantifiers describe at least one member of a set belonging to a different set. Examples of existential quantifiers are some, there exists, at least one, etc. In the first example, some dogs are cats, we make a Venn diagram with a small overlap. Inside the overlap is where we place the cat dogs. In the next example, we have the statement, there are students who are tired. To convert it into Venn diagram form, we make two sets, one for students, and one for tired people. Then we overlap them only slightly. Inside the overlap is where we'll find tired students. Take note that the diagram has an area for students who may not be tired, and for tired people who may not be students. Now that we've shown you how to make Venn diagrams, it's time for you to make some of your own. Convert the following statements into Venn diagrams. You have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck! Number 1. All towels are dry. Timer starts now. Time is up. Your Venn diagram should look something like this. Next up, make a Venn diagram for the statement, not all Christians are religious. Timer starts now. Time is up. Your Venn diagram should look something like this. Finally, make a Venn diagram for the statement, "Some pillows hurt." Timer starts now. Time is up. Your Venn diagram should look like this. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.